Yeah, 5 laps.
Do we do 5 laps tomorrow too?
Yeah.
Holy shit. He's got a bigger lead, I think.
Yeah, I think he's gained a little bit.
Yeah. Rob, holy shit. Yeah, dude. That thing ripping. Get with it. Oh, love it. Oh, dude!
Watch this orange one. He almost.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
He's almost always going to get stuck. He's stuck.
No way.
Yep. And they're 2-wheel drive, so yeah.
Yeah. Oh, man. Blew it out.
This guy's gonna roll.
Oh, yeah. This guy he's cooking. That was nice.
Here's that monster one.
Beast truck?
Yeah, there he is.
Oh man. It's so funny because the corners just get blown out all the way.
All the shit. Yeah, that thing's got all the fucking shit.
Yeah.
He doesn't slow down there. Oh, he gave a black flag. You see that?
Maybe that's the penalty flag.
No, it is.
It
Black,
is.
yeah. And it was rolled up, so it was like the final warning. I think,
Yeah.
for him.
Final warning. That's lap 2.
They warned him now twice, so I think the next one he could be in big trouble.
Yeah, they're probably radioing his crew. too.
here too. Penalty, I think, for not slowing down. And again.
Oh, he did it too. There must be a bump that kicks him straight.
Yeah, now he's way off
That's
course.
what that other guy did. Yeah. I think there is. Look, he did it too. Or they're trying to build a new one.
Holy, that guy's flying. Three of them right here, Tony.
Oh, yeah. Who's going to hold it in the corner? is he doing?
You can't get a position like that.
He was in front. Flag him, dude. Oh.
Yeah. Oh man! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Wow! Two guys did it. They're all the way on the outside of the course. Oh my goodness! What is he doing? Dude, he blew that clear. Came out and went all the way around the side of the track. He was not even on the track. That guy. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's got an issue.
These get squirrely right here. Over the berm.
Other guys, four guys came. Yeah, right. See if they're gonna get him. Like they were talking about it. Watch this guy. Get after it. Yeah, they're talking about him.
He's got like 2 arms already.
That's what he is.
Yeah. The beast is the beast. I think this guy might fill the flag.
He's ready. Look at him.
Oh, he's already got it opened up. Yeah, he opened it up already.
Oh, we can hear him on
Yeah.
Weatherman. What do you say on the radio? I don't know. Should I give him a penalty or not? I don't know, probably.
Oh, he like jumped right into the face of that. Yeah. How's that water truck out of me?
Look at Iceman. Putting it down. He don't let off. He's just on it the whole quarter. It's booming. Oh yeah, this is gonna get good the next lap. These two.
These guys.
Oh, here we go.
Blue truck still behind him. Someone over the he messed that one up bad. That BCI truck, I don't know. Oh yeah, they all blew that turn.
Oh yeah. Dude, look at that jump back there. When they come around that hill. Look right here, right? Boom!
Huge holes.
Yeah, there's 2 big ones. Oh, you almost did it.
Is this
how fast they come down that hill.
Speedy Seed truck got in front of both of these
Yeah.
guys.
That guy's in the back now.
Yeah. Looks like he's slower out in the open. Oh. This guy's. Here's McMullen.
Yeah, watch him hit those bumps. Yeah. Reed, this way. This way. Reedy, this way. What? Get after it.
He reminds
This
me
guy-
of Zach. Charge into the turn. Oh,
What's gonna happen here? What's gonna happen here? Who has to drive? Push him over the berm. Yeah. He's hungry. This guy's all over.
oh, right by him.
Yeah. Yeah.
Harley Lentner, he's so aggressive.
Oh yeah, we got a battle there. Let's watch him hit the